Tired of losing interesting articles in a sea of open tabs? Learn how to save any Wikipedia article in under 30 seconds. First, open the article you want, then use the tag icon to save it. Finally, check your saved items to see it waiting for you. Go ahead and type in the article you want to read. Pick something you're interested in, and we'll get it saved. Next, click on the tag icon in the upper right corner. That's your Save button for this feature, so go ahead and click it. Once you've tagged it, go to your View Saved Items to find it. That's where all your saved articles are collected, so you'll see it right away. And now you can see it in your saved items. The article is saved perfectly. That's all there is to it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.